Here we are, outside, house plan 62544 DJ in Massachusetts. Our clients did an amazing job building this home. It's about as nice as we could possibly expect it to be. It's white, black windows, iconic front porch, beautiful garage. Those windows there, you can't see in, which is nice, but you can see out. The garage has extra high ceilings. It's amazing space in there. Over here, this window here inside is like a den, a living room, playroom, and a window seats right there. You got beautiful cedar brackets on the front porch. And of course, you've got your requisite rocking chairs. Gotta have rocking chairs on a country farmhouse, a modern farmhouse porch, right? Let's go inside. Inside 62544 DJ in Massachusetts. Stairs as you enter. Got a laundry room that goes through to the walk-in closet, one of two in the master bedroom. And you got this big den, the barn door on the outside. Pretty nice. Massive door. Easy to open, easy to shut. Keep an eye on the kids or keep it quiet as a study. You decide. In the living room, you got 26-foot ceilings. Great views out the back. Beautiful fireplace, gas, shiplap, of course. You've got the kitchen and one of two lucky house dogs. Got your kitchen area. The proud homeowner. You can follow her on Instagram
at Strange Farmhouse.
We got Kitty.
Hello.
We got photos of your house. Send them to her. We've got this beautiful island. It's so big. It's 2 slabs. One is not enough. You got blue.
Did you watch that?
You got seats for 5. Got a casual eating area. You've got the luckiest kid on the planet chilling out. You got the other lucky homeowner. Master bedroom. Some more barn doors in there. And to finish things off, check this out. Back porch. Outdoor living room area. You got a grill. And although it doesn't come with the plans, these lucky homeowners have 1,200 feet of property with which to enjoy the views from house plan 62544 DJ in Massachusetts.